Today I'm showing you how to increase dedicated video RAM for integrated graphics cards to boost gaming performance and FPS. Let's get started. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. First, right-click on the desktop and select Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click on your graphics card and select Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. If it says the best drivers installed, you're good to go. Step 2. Check current VRAM. Right-click on the desktop and select Display Settings. Scroll down and click Advanced Display Settings, then click Display Adapter Properties. Here you'll see your current dedicated video memory. We're going to increase this. Step 3. Open Registry Editor. Press Windows plus R together. Type in regedit and click OK. Click Yes when prompted. Step 4. Navigate to Intel Registry. In Registry Editor, go to H-key Local Machine, then expand Software, and scroll down to find Intel. Right-click on Intel, select New, then Key. Name it GMM in all capital letters. Step 5. Create VRAM value. Click on the GMM folder you just created. Right-click in the right pane, select New, then DWORD 32-bit value. Name it exactly as follows: Dedicated Segment Size, no spaces, with capital D and capital S. Step 6. Set VRAM amount. Double-click on Dedicated Segment Size. Select decimal as the base. Now, enter the value based on your RAM. 2 GB RAM, enter 256. 4 GB RAM, enter 128. 8 GB RAM, enter 2048. 16 GB RAM, enter 2048. For example, if you have 16 GB RAM, type 2048. Click OK. Step 7. Restart your computer. Close Registry Editor and restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Step 8. Verify the change. After restarting, check Display Adapter Properties again to confirm your dedicated video memory has increased. And that's it. Your Intel graphics card now has more dedicated VRAM, which should improve gaming performance and boost FPS.